With all the hustle and bustle of Halloween, we're going to want something easy to serve to all our ghosts and goblins, no matter how old they are. And whether you're trick-or-treating, handing out candy, or watching monster movies with the lights out so no one knows you're home, we've got a slow cooker favorite that'll be ready and waiting whenever you are. We start off by mixing together a couple pounds of ground beef, an egg, a bit of breadcrumbs, some water, and a bunch of off-the-shelf spices. After we roll this into bite-sized meatballs, we place them in a slow cooker along with a sauce that we made by combining some chili sauce, grape jelly, and a bit of lemon juice. We cover it and let it cook on low. Before the first trick-or-treaters ring the doorbell, they're done. When you open the slow cooker, don't be surprised if all the ghouls and goblins in the neighborhood come by to check it out. So here's what I suggest. Go online right now and get the simple recipe for our Ghoulish Glazed Meatballs. And yes, you still have plenty of time to make this today or any day, since it's done in less than 3 hours in a slow cooker. I'm Howard, with Kelly, in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a deliciously ghoulish way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."